In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make your private posts public. So if you had made or restricted any of your videos on TikTok to private, but you wish now to make it available to public, then it's pretty simple. Just follow these steps. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and log into your TikTok account. And once you are done, now head to your profile to see all the videos that you had uploaded. For my case, I only have one video, but because it is private, it's not even available on my profile. To find it, go ahead and tap on this adblock icon, and this will reveal all the hidden or private videos that you have on your account. Now select the video that you wish to make public by tapping on it. And from here, go ahead and choose privacy settings, or if you don't see these privacy settings, go to these dots here, tap on them, and from here scroll until you see privacy settings. Under this, if you tap, this will go ahead and reveal the current status. As you can see, it is set to only you. Now you can go ahead and make it public by either choosing to be shown to only your followers or everyone. So I'll choose everyone and then exit. By doing so, now if I go back to my profile, I'll go ahead and tap on the first icon here to display all the posts that I have on my TikTok account that are public. So that's how you can make your private videos public on your TikTok account. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.